Hi guys, happy Friday skywatching. Okay, it's a little late in the afternoon, so I have missed some of the sunset, but we'll get there. The sunset is over there. See? Too late. We had a beautiful sunset, but the problem was Dolly was squawking and it just got a little bit too noisy. I couldn't hear the birds out here singing. So I've had to start again, which happens, as you guys know. But our sunset sort of was down there, and it was beautiful. There was a lot of gold like that, gold and red. Just move over this way, we could see some of those beautiful colours in the sky. So it's a bit obviously cloudy there, big dark cloud there in the middle. Oh, there's a little bit of fun pareidolia. There's always fun pareidolia. The birds have sort of already come in, so there's not a lot of bird sounds. There's a couple you may hear, but most of the flocks have already flown in for the night and found their favourite branches and trees. I had the lawn done today. He did a terrible job as usual. I wouldn't expect anything more. Anyway, it's a little joke I have with myself. Yeah, because I'm a little bit funny about my lawn and how good it looks, and how well it's done, and yeah. But the only tip he gets is be good to your mum. So there's our sky. Happy Friday. Yay, it's the end of the week. For some people that's like, woo-hoo, yay. For other people it's like, yay. Some people it's like me, like, oh, that's nice. What have I found there? Oh, that's an interesting cloud. That sort of looks like an Elvis face, sort of there, where that cross is in the middle. Some form of face. Can you see that? I can't zoom in anymore, but yeah. Alright guys, I'll go. Happy Friday, and take care out there. Love to all. Bye for now. Oops, back over to the sunset. Oh, it's gone. That's the only bit left. Alright, bye guys. Take care.